So we have that one is 108 degrees, meaning this angle, and I'm going to switch colors here, right here, that angle is going to be 54 degrees, okay? So now we're looking at a triangle, but this one, we've always been using tangent. Don't get in the habit of just using tangent all the time, okay? Think about what we need to find. For this one, we need to find the apothem over here, okay? That's what we need to find, all right? We know what the perimeter is. It's just, 8 times 5. Anyways, we got to figure out what the apothem is. So we're going to do tangent of 54. Still going to use tangent because we know the opposite, which is the apothem, the adjacent side, which is 4. So tangent of 54 equals, and then opposite would be our apothem. I'm gonna actually just gonna change that variable a, and I'm just going to make it an x, so you guys understand that, hey, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. All right, because I didn't want you to think a adjacent, whatever. Anyways, so tangent 54 equals x over 4. All right. X is high. What do we do? Multiply. All righty. So we're going to multiply these two together. Yeehaw. All right. So when we do that, we get x to be 5.51. All righty. Bingo. There we go. So perimeter, super easy peasy. Here we go. The side length is 8. We have how many sides? 5. 5 times 8. That gives us 40. All right. We have what our apothem is. And we got it. This is the apothem. Okay. This is apothem right here. All right. APO. All right. APO for apothem. That's it. We don't have to do anything with it. So when we know the side length, we don't have to do anything once we do trig. All right, so don't get confused by that, okay? Understand what we're looking for and understand how it changes, okay? So 5.51 is the apothem. So finding the area equals 1/2. What's our apothem? Oh, it's 5.51. All righty. And then we multiply that by 40. So we find our area is 110.2 inches squared. All right, so moving on to number 8. Again, number 8, a little bit different. So we have to draw our right triangle here for number 8. Best triangle I've drawn all year. All right, so triangle, that side is 22. So we know that this part's 11 because we divide by 2. We're talking about this part, the part in that right triangle. And then this is a hexagon. Okay, this is a hexagon. So I think we did hexagon. If we didn't, I don't know, it's not too hard. 6 minus 2 times 180. And we divide that by 6 and we get 120 for that. And then we know that this angle in here is going to be 60 degrees. All right, so it's going to be 60 degrees. So this is where you guys could use 11. We know 11 is opposite the 30-degree angle, 11 times radical 3, or we can just use trig, all right? So I'm not like the special right triangles is to make the process a little bit faster, and you can do it in your head. So you can do 11 times radical 3 in your head and then put it in a calculator and get a decimal answer. So but I'm going to go through the trig part with you guys. So this is where we're saying, again, trying to find x over here. So tangent of 60 equals x over 11. X is high, multiply. So x is 19.05. All right, so, and then to find our perimeter, we're going to do 6 times 22, and that's going to give us 132. So to find our area, we're going to do 1/2 times the apothem. This is the apothem up here. That goes right down here. So 19.05, again, it's the apothem. Multiply that by 132.